Hello, this is DeMartini RV Sales, and you're looking at the Forest River Georgetown 364. This coach is built on a Ford chassis and features a Ford 6.8-liter V10 engine. The floor plan of this Georgetown is the 364. It features a bunk house and 3 slide-outs. Right there you can see there's a sleeper sofa, an extra long countertop. There's a booth dinette for lots of seating. It features a stainless steel package where you have the large stainless steel residential refrigerator, the convection microwave, an oven, which is hard to find in a brand new coach. There's an LCD TV, the gooseneck faucet, solid surface countertops. There's a water and ice dispenser on the outside of the refrigerator. Here you can see the bunk house. You can sleep 2. Each bed has its own LCD TV. This coach also has a home theater system and an outside TV with speakers. Here's the bathroom. There's a full bathroom in the middle of the coach and another full bathroom with shower in the rear of the coach. As we come to the bedroom, you can see there's a king-size bed that pops out. There's the door to your second bathroom. You have plenty of cabinet space here and another TV. Here's your full bath. There's a shower, toilet, sink, and there's space on the right for a combination washer dryer. There's your medicine cabinet, and this cabinet here is where you could put your washer dryer. Here's your bedroom again. This bedroom features a rear AC unit with heat strip. Here's another look at your bunk beds. Here's your booth dinette that converts into a bed. Your sleeper sofa. Plenty of counter space in this kitchen. There's also an overhead bunk that drops down. Power driver's seat, and more. Check out this coach and others on our website, DeMartiniRV.com.